All right, guys, so this is round two for this car. 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. 4-cylinder, non-turbo. Factory converter there. Secondary converter there. Then we did a muffler delete earlier in the year, right there. Wasn't loud enough, so he brought it back. And we did a resonator delete right there with hangers and dual tip facing up. Looks cool. Something different. Check it out on a Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. There's a resonator and tip that was on it before that we took off. They want a little bit more sound, so we hooked them up. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys don't know, we are located in Tennessee, Nashville, Music City, USA. Big difference. Decibels. Again. 118, guys. That's crazy. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it's cool looking Hyundai Santa Fe.